The Huawei Mate X3 is a groundbreaking tri-fold smartphone that transforms from a compact phone into a large tablet. Its main selling point is the innovative design, but it also packs high-end specifications. Key features and design. Tri-fold mechanism. The Mate X3 is the world's first commercially available tri-fold phone. It has a single continuous OLED display that folds twice. When fully folded, it's a 6.4-inch phone. Unfolding one section gives you a 7.9-inch display, and fully unfolding it reveals a massive 10.2-inch tablet-sized screen with a 16:11 aspect ratio. This design makes it a highly versatile device for both productivity and media consumption. Thin and premium build. Despite its folding nature, the Mate X3 is remarkably thin, measuring just 3.6 mm when fully unfolded. When folded, it's 12.8 mm thick. It has a premium feel with a polished metal frame and a fox leather back. Hinge and durability. The device uses two hinges, one folding inwards and one outwards. While they feel solid, some reviews note a slight crease in visible, though not an issue in daily use. The phone also lacks a water resistance rating, which is a common trade-off with this innovative design. Display large and immersive. The 10.2-inch 3K OLED screen is a major highlight, praised for its cinematic 16:11 aspect ratio, which is ideal for watching videos and gaming without significant letterboxing. Refresh rate. The display has a 90 Hz refresh rate. While this is lower than the 120 Hz found on many other flagships, reviewers generally describe it as fluid and responsive in day-to-day use. Performance processor. The Mate X3 is powered by Huawei's Kirin 9010 chipset with an octa-core CPU and a Malion 910 GPU. It is a 7nm chipset. While it provides snappy performance for general tasks and most games, some intensive graphical gaming may see a drop in frame rates. Software. The phone runs on either EMUI 14.2 or HarmonyOS 4.2 depending on the region. A significant limitation for international users is the lack of native Google Mobile Services GMS, though workarounds like MicroG are available and can enable the use of most Google apps. Camera. Versatile triple camera. The Mate X3 features a competitive camera setup that performs well for a foldable device. It includes a 50 megapixel main camera with a variable aperture, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom. Selfie camera. There is also an 8 megapixel selfie camera on the main display. A key advantage of the foldable design is the ability to use the high quality rear cameras for selfies. Battery and charging. Battery. It comes with a 5600 mAh battery, which is a good size for a device with such a large screen. Charging. It supports 66 watt wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging as well as reverse wireless charging. Price and availability. The Huawei Mate X3 is a high-end enthusiast product and its price reflects that. It launched in China starting at price of 19,999 yuan, approximately $2,800, and is available in various markets including the Philippines and UAE, but its global availability can be limited.